Guys, YesStyle loves their creators. I've been kindly sent by YesStyle some really exciting Chinese makeup products to try. I'm so excited because I've been so curious about cbeauty. There are some really great brands that have been trending and going viral. There are actually so many products. I feel so lucky and I can't thank YesStyle enough because what better opportunity to finally try out cbeauty than this. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup and get ready with these new products. Can't wait to take you along with me and you'll see all my first impressions and reviews. I want to show you this one first. So this is Flower Nose, really famous for their beautiful packaging. It's from the new Strawberry Cupid collection. A hand mirror. This is the red velvet flavor. It's so beautiful. It comes with a bowl like this. It's got like an elastic on it, so pop it on like that. That is such a good idea. And look at all this intricate detail. It's got like rose gold on the outer edge, and then this like strawberry red velvet cake design. Isn't it so pretty? This is gonna come in very handy. I'm gonna use this for the video. Next up, I have to show you this eyeshadow palette. This is also from the new Flower Nose Strawberry Cupid collection in number 2, Cupid's Mischief. I already love this box. Wow, this is what we've got. Their signature intricate detail. Wow, that is so pretty. And also the rose gold on the outer edge. It's like a magnetic closure. First impressions. Gorgeous. Look at all the detail on these eyeshadows. That's insane. How am I going to use these? Like, too pretty. I don't want to ruin it. Very romantic pinky tone shades. I want to try out these two shadows on here for today's makeup look. So let's go with more of like a cool tone look today. Since I'm also wearing grey, I use this brown shade here to deepen the edges, and I'll also use this highlighter shade. I'm going to start out with this pale pink strawberry milk shade here. And just sweep that all over the lid as the base. The pigment is really good. Usually with these pale colors, it's really hard to see, but this one I can definitely see. It's also very blendable as well. And I'll also just sweep it underneath my eyes as well. Now that I have a closer look, the shade that I just tried at the end here, in some lights it looks like a pale pink. In other lights it also looks like a pale lilac purple. It's sort of like somewhere in between a pink and a purple. Next I'm going to use the color just right next to it, this sort of deeper purple. But let's see what it looks like when it's on the outer edge. I'm gonna go with a light hand. I like how it carries on that same vibrance even when you put it on the lid. Down to the outer bottom V as well, so that it all just flows nicely and there's no disconnect. A little bit of this shade at the end here. Let's see how that works out. Just going in with a really light hand. In terms of pigmentation, I feel like it's a step more pigmented than the Korean makeup brands I'm used to. I've used a Morphe palette, which is like very strong. I literally only have to take the tiniest dab, and I've obviously also used K-beauty brands. I don't know if it's all cbeauty, but I feel like this palette in particular with Flower Nose, it's like a good in-between. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and then use that same brown shade just underneath in the bottom V. Okay, I said this was gonna be a cool tone look. I don't think it's gonna be a cool tone look anymore. I just want to try out this champagne glitter shade, so we're also gonna just step that in the middle as well. Oh wow, I did not expect it to actually be a full-on glitter. I thought it was just going to be like a normal shimmery color. It's closer to a glitter with like actual chunks in it. So the next product, and I am so excited for this one, the JOOCYEE eyeshadow D111. I'm pretty sure this product went viral. Did you see the opening packaging for this, by the way? I just did a little swatch. It looks amazing, gorgeous, beautiful. I'm just gonna top my eyeshadow off with this. It's so sparkly, but in like a very expensive sort of way. Oh, that is so pretty. It just leveled up my eyeshadow, and the glitters are really fine, so it just looks really elegant. I'm also going to put some on my aegyo. I feel like it's a must with this one. Okay, this glitter is gorgeous. I really recommend this. Next for my eye look, they've also given me a liquid eyeliner. So this one is by NOVO. It's the Uniform Color Rendering in number 1 black. I love the colors on this packaging. Look at this. This is the prettiest eyeliner I've ever owned. I guess I'll just do my normal eyeliner shape. You go down and then up. Oops. Wait, this is like a tattoo. It's already set onto my skin. Guys, I am genuinely shocked. It sets into the skin so quick, and as soon as it's set, it does not budge. Like, what? I made a little mistake and then I immediately tried to sort of rub it out with my finger, which is what I usually do, but I was like, oh, why isn't it moving? This was like not going anywhere. So with that, I guess I'd say this eyeliner I don't really recommend to people who like to put their makeup on the go, like in the car. I could see how that would not have very good outcomes, and also maybe wouldn't recommend it to beginners of liquid eyeliner, but I would recommend it to more experienced people. I am very excited to see how long lasting this eyeliner will be throughout the day, and I also feel like it wouldn't come off with just water like when I cry, so that is also very, very good. It'll be really good for fake under eyelashes. Usually on the under eye, products really like to smudge down there, but I just feel like this one wouldn't. If you judge it by its packaging, it's like all very soft and like la la, but inside lives a beast. This is like one of the strongest eyeliners I've used. I didn't receive a mascara in this pack, so I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes and use my normal mascara that I use every day, which is this Peri Ink Black Cara Long Lash. Really great waterproof mascara. I've just repurchased it and it's also available in YesStyle. I got a little bit carried away with the mascara today, so it's looking a little bit clumpy, but this is the finished eye look. I need you to see how pretty the sparkle is, but it's not really showing up how I'd like on camera. Next I'm gonna do the blush, so I think it's this one. This is a blush from Judydoll, and I don't know if it comes together, but YesStyle also sent me this little mini puff. So cute. This is a Judydoll blush powder in number 41. Peach Milk Tea. I already love the sound of that. This is a shade that I could wear literally every single day. This one, I feel like I can just dab it widely. It's very nice, soft, peachy, coral shade. I feel like this kind of color looks good in every single season. Oh my god. It smells really nice. Oh, it smells like peaches. Put that all over the middle part of my face. Okay, completely just forget anything I said about it being a cool tone makeup look today. It's heading very much into the warm direction. I am in love with this color. Look at how it's warming up my face. This puff, honestly, it keeps slipping off, so it needs a little bit of support with the middle finger, but honestly, it's really good for precision to getting it exactly where you want to. I'm obsessed. On the tip of my nose, also on the chin. You know, I used to be so against blush when I didn't know how to use it, but I promise you it really completes a makeup look. Okay, now I'm pretty sure there's another blush in here. This one? Yes. Another Flower Nose product from their Strawberry Cupid collection again. This one here is a liquid blush, and I was thinking of just using this as an accent shade to today's blush look if it matches. Ooh, wait. Look at this. I'm going to feel like a princess using their products. This one here is got like a little brush applicator. It's a bit more of a bright pink shade. I hope it's gonna match the blush that I already have on, but if not, that's okay. I just want to see what it looks like. This one, I guess I'm just gonna put it on directly to my face. Just a little bit here. Ooh. I'll just distribute with both cheeks. Okay. It's fine. You just spread it out like that. Okay. Oh, very blendable. Very pink. Okay, yeah, I definitely put on too much. Be careful, guys. Okay, you know what? We're gonna make this work. I'm like determined to make this look good because sometimes lots of blush can actually work out. Might as well blend it to this middle part here as well, because the nose blush look is popular and I think it looks good on other people. Personally, I haven't really done it too often. I put on too much. It is all good, no need to panic, but yeah, definitely go with a light hand on that product. At least you got a good proper look at what the shade looks like. The next product I'm going to use is this highlighter. This one is by a brand called BECCA, and I believe it's like a highlighting stick, shade 103. It comes in this really compact case with a little ribbon on the front. Kind of reminds me of a more compact version of the Hints highlighter balms. So I'm just going to put it on the finger first and then apply it. It's kind of got the same glossiness. Ooh. You can definitely see that. In other places, I usually highlight tip of my nose, in the corner of the eye. Cupid's bow filter. Chin. I'm also gonna try apply it directly to the skin. It's not bad. I think I just prefer putting it on the finger first though. I really like this. Okay, this is going straight into the makeup pouch. It is going everywhere with me. I've only got 2 more products to show you, and they're both lip products. First, I want to open this one. It is the COLORROSE Lace Embossed Western Antique lipstick. Isn't it just amazing? There's a little diamante in the front. Oh, whoa, I was not expecting this dark shade. That is so insane. Like, how do you even do that? Whoa. It is just like this beautiful deep red color. I feel like it might not be the best for today's look, but I'm gonna still put it on to show you what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm about to ruin it. Oh, I'm just gonna go straight in with the full lip. Wow, it just glides on. I love this color. Ooh. It's really nice and matte, but still very creamy. Reminds me of the old Wet n Wild formulas, and that was like my favorite. Look at that. Matches a red velvet concept really well. I love this. Oh my gosh. By the way, guys, this is in shade CR1600. And finally, the last product in my little bag is... we've got the GOGOTALES Cloud Sensation Double Spell Lip Cream G01. And I know this one is also really popular because it looks like an AirPods case. It looks like a totally Spice gadget. And when you open it, got a little applicator here. And there's 2 different shades in here. So good to carry around. Sadly, I'm gonna have to wipe off the COLORROSE lipstick. I read a little bit about them online. One of them is matte and one of them is a gloss. So I'm gonna try out like this more nudie shade first. Wow. Okay, glossy. This is definitely my lips but better kind of nude shade. Texture reminds me of like mousse, whipped mousse. Guessing you want to put on the matte one first. So this is the matte shade, the darker shade. This is such a good texture to give you that like blurry edged look. This is just the matte lip by itself. And then I'm gonna put the gloss on top. I love the variety. I love the amount of glossiness. I love the concept, especially the shades for this one. So nice. If you're interested, I definitely recommend going for it. So that was my first experience trying out a whole bunch of cbeauty products. It's honestly a race against me and the sunset. But what do you think? I had so much fun trying all of these products out, and a huge thank you to YesStyle again for giving me all of these products to try. I had so much fun. I think I found some of my new favorite products as well. So if you're interested in any of these products, they're all available on YesStyle. You can use my rewards code BECCA, and this rewards code can be combined and stacked with other discounts, so you can get double the discounts. I love filming makeup videos. They're so much fun. I honestly feel like a little girl again. I hope you enjoyed watching it too. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!